What up guys, welcome to another episode of Armory. Today we're gonna introduce you to our new partner, our new wheel supplier, and the thing is we already received a new set of wheels. Not just one, but a bit more than that. Check it out. As you maybe know, our GT86 has already been rocking Rota wheels for a while now. But let's check what are the dimensions and how they look on the GT86. Then,
hi guys. So what we have here? We have a special model Rota Drift Force. This is from Drift's family. They're a little bit, let's say, wider, not so flat, a little bit concavish, let's say it like this. So what we have it on the car? The fronts are 18 by 8, offset is 48, so yeah, it could be a little bit, let's say lower, but unfortunately we cannot get it. But on the rear you can see a little bit more concavish, it's 18 by 9, so a little bit wider, and yeah, the offset is 35.
And
so
the tires?
The tires, in the back we're running 245/35.
Which you can see that on the 9-inch it looks a bit stretched,
but not too much.
Yeah, it looks nice. Not overdone, let's say. So the car has done some track time as well, been on the road for a long time now, and you're satisfied?
Yeah, I am. So we are good choice for good money, let's say value for money for sure. You can get different colors like bronze, these are the gunmetal,
Hyper black, silvers,
white, also red, some funky colors, so you just name it.
Yeah, but if you want to have something special, you can always pay me. Okay, let's check out the boxes. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. So, what we have here? Okay, these are called Rota grids. I think this is a classic JDM design. First off, here we have Rota grids. It's a kind of classic JDM design. 6-spoke with a little bit of flip, nice concavish looking. In these specs, it's 18 by 10 with an offset of 15, and the color, it's called Hyper Black. It's actually a bit lighter black with some metallic flakes, like really small flakes, but it looks cool. It gives them a nice perspective, nice depth. The spec is perfect for the rear end of the car. You can put like 265 tires on and it's gonna look cool. Okay, let's check the next ones. In the next box, we have another set. Whoop. Man, those are looking slick. Let's take them out. In the second set, we have one of my favorites. They're called RT5s. This particular one is 18 by 9.5 with an offset of 35. The color is called Speed Bronze, if I'm not mistaken. So it's bronze with, of course, flakes, but it's a matte finish. So as you can tell, they're not glossy. It's really cool because they have a nice lip and they're as well a bit concavish. For some, this could be a cool setup to run on the back, but I would say this would be awesome on the front as well. And now the third and the last set for today, of course. We have 17s. Here we have what it's called Rotaforce. Similar to what Darren is talking about, these are only force. You can tell directly that they're a bit more flat, not concave-ish, no lip. But of course, difference is already in the spec because firstly, these are 17s by 7.5, and the offset is a bit higher, it's 45. And you can already tell that, yeah, they're a bit flat. As well, they came in various different colors, but this one is just plain white color. Need to pack those back off to the customer, and if you have any questions regarding rotas or you need any suggestions or you want to buy them, hit us up. We'll be glad to answer you, and of course even happier to supply you with them. Yeah, till next time, you know what you need to do. Share, like and comment to our content, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, guys, see ya.
Truck 46, 2 miles out.